balut. Eat balut with the vinegar. With the vinegar and the salt. Now come on, let's see balut. Ooh. This balut looks big. Oh my god. Oh, not too big. And I just close my eyes to eat this balut. Some salt. Good. Too much salt. Finish is all balut. You got 2 balut. Daddy, you want some balut? I don't think you will like balut. Actually, this balut is so yummy. It's just I feel the baby duck is scared to eat. I will try to eat balut, baby balut. See, now I'm gonna try to eat. It's a little bit vinegar. Salt vinegar. Good. Warm. No more. Yummy. Yummy balut. Good. Bye. See you on next video.